How to create Psychedelic Space Monster. Adobe Illustrator version. Part 2. Line art.
For our line art, we'll utilize the Blob Brush Tool, known for its versatility in creating bold and fluid lines. Before diving into the line art, it's essential to fine-tune the settings of the blob brush for flexibility, size, angle, and roundness. These adjustments ensure precision and control over our strokes. In the process of creating line art, patience is absolutely essential. It's not just about the time it takes to complete, it's also the stage where you have the opportunity to meticulously bring forth the intricate details you envision in your drawing. Each line, curve, and stroke contributes to the overall appearance and character of your artwork, making it a crucial phase in the creative process. Furthermore, line art serves as the framework upon which the final artwork will be built. It defines the shapes, contours, and structure of the subject matter, laying the groundwork for further embellishments and enhancements. Therefore, exercising patience and precision during this stage ensures that your vision is accurately translated onto the canvas, resulting in a finished piece that reflects your artistic intent and attention to detail. You can also take this opportunity to add details that weren't present in the initial sketches. Practicing this style allows you to continually improve your artwork, refining your skills with each new piece you create. In this stage of the process, we're employing the pen tool to meticulously craft shapes that will be filled in to represent the darker areas of the drawing. These carefully constructed shapes not only define the shadows, but also act as a roadmap for the shading process during the coloring phase. By strategically placing these shapes, we ensure that the shadows align with the light source and the overall composition of the artwork. This method allows for greater control and precision in achieving depth and dimensionality in the final piece. The internet has many fonts, but making our own lets us match the style of our artwork perfectly. This way, the text blends in seamlessly with the rest of the design, making everything look better together. Plus, creating our own font lets us add our own unique touch to the text, making it fit our artistic vision perfectly. Once you've finished refining your line art to your satisfaction, it's time to transition into the exciting phase of coloring.